Describe the image in 90 seconds. You have some time to look at the image.
In this image, I can see an open suitcase placed on what looks like a bed or a flat surface. The suitcase is packed very neatly, which suggests that the person who packed it is organized and well prepared. Inside the suitcase, there are folded clothes arranged carefully, possibly for a short trip or a vacation. The clothes appear clean and well planned, indicating that the traveler has thought about different occasions and weather conditions. On top of the clothes, a passport is clearly visible, which immediately gives the impression that this is an international journey. The presence of the passport suggests excitement, planning, and readiness to travel abroad. It also reflects responsibility, as the passport is kept in an easily accessible place. Overall, the image creates a strong sense of anticipation and adventure. It represents the moment just before a journey begins, when everything is ready and the traveler is about to leave their familiar surroundings to explore a new destination. The neatly packed suitcase and the visible passport together symbolize preparation, freedom, and the beginning of a meaningful travel experience.
Write about the picture in 1 minute.